Hello everyone. Have a brand new driver's side mirror that will be installed in this 2015 Super Duty. The power folding function does not work. The mirror glass, motor, and outer trim cap can be serviced, but as far as I know, the telescope and power folding motors cannot be serviced. This mirror, I think, costs around $1,000. You got to pull the inner door panel to get to the wiring on this. So we're going to pull this window switch. And there's two screws in the center of the panel. And then there's two screws on the bottom of the panel. Now these steel body Super Duties, the inner door panel lifts up before you pull it out, and the newer Illuma Duties, they're held in with plastic clips and you pull directly outward. So we'll get access here to for the wiring on the mirror. Pull the speaker out so you can get your hand up in there. Pull the wiring for the mirror, and it's held in with 4 bolts, or I should say 4 nuts. And peel this mirror off the door. Lift up and pull the wiring out. Do a little bit of cleanup. Fish the wire on the new mirror down into the door. Line up the studs, press it in. Start the top nut. I'm going to work all these nuts in a circular pattern, and then torque them down to 89 inch-pounds, or maybe it's 98 inch-pounds. I think it's 98 inch-pounds. Reinstall the 2 plastic or rubber plugs. Reconnect the wiring. Reinstall the speaker. These are just little 7mm screws. Install the door panel at the top. Press the ears in at the bottom, and then push directly down to engage the door panel into the door. Really simple. Reinstall the 4 screws. The trim caps. The window switch. Mirror switch. The upper trim plate. The outer trim cap does not come on the new mirror assembly, so you'll have to swap it over. And to gain access to the tabs, you have to pull the mirror glass out of the old unit. There's a small hole in the mirror glass. You engage a screwdriver in it and twist to pry it off. Once you get the glass out, there's 2 ears at the top. You pry down on them while you take a screwdriver and press outward and upward on the chrome piece. Once you get the top disengaged, you can grab it and pry it off. And then install it into the new mirror assembly. Just press it straight in till it snaps. And that does it for this one. Just check the operation, make sure everything works good. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.